That which is incomplete becomes complete. The crooked becomes straight. The empty becomes full. The worn out becomes new. He who obtains has little. He who scatters has much. That is why the self-controlled man holds to unity and brings it into manifestation for men. He looks not at self, therefore he sees clearly. He asserts not himself, therefore he shines. He boasts not of self, therefore he has merit. He glorifies not himself, therefore he endures. The master indeed does not strive, yet no one in the world can strive against him. The words of the ancients were not empty words. That which is incomplete becomes complete. Acquire completeness by returning it.